In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Calendly meeting times directly into your email. This is a great way to streamline scheduling and make it easy for recipients to book a meeting at a time that suits them. Let's get right into it. First, head over to calendly.com. You'll want to log into your account, so go ahead and click on the login button in the top right corner of the homepage. If you haven't pre-saved your login credentials, you'll need to enter your email address first and then click continue. After that, enter your password and click continue again to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Calendly homepage. Now, you'll want to select the event that you plan to share with others. It could be any event you've set up beforehand, like a meeting, a consultation, or any other type of session you offer. Find it in your list of events and select it. Above the event details, there's a share button, so go ahead and click on that. This will open up some options for sharing your event. Among these, you'll see an option to add times to email. Click on it and you'll be guided through a selection process where you can choose specific days and times to include in your email. Take your time here and ensure you're choosing slots that fit your availability and preferences. Once you've selected the days and times you want, click on Continue to proceed to the final stage. Here, you'll see an option to copy times to clipboard. Clicking this button will do exactly that. It will copy your selected availability into a format that's ready to be pasted directly into an email. Next, switch over to your email client and start composing a new email. You'll do this by clicking the Compose button. Once you've opened a new email draft, click into the body of the email. It's here that you'll paste your copied schedule. Simply use the paste command on your device, often Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac OS to drop the times in. And that's it, you've successfully embedded your Calendly meeting times directly into an email. Now, recipients can see when you're available and easily book a time to meet with you. This small step significantly enhances the efficiency of scheduling and saves you from the back and forth of finding a mutually available time. Thanks for tuning in today. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Feel free to drop any comments or questions below and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips. Until next time, happy scheduling.